Hi guys, this is the Moustached marketer Ram Rawat, and I'm recording this quick video for reviewing the Flux. So it's a new software which is about to be launched on 20th of May at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So this is the world's first 6-in-1 story app software. So basically this creates stories for Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, and TikTok. So it covers all 6 platforms, and you can create stories for all these 6 platforms inside one single dashboard. You don't have to worry about creating separate stories. So everything is done inside. It has its own editor, and apart from that main feature, there are like 50 viral traffic templates. Like these are like done for you templates. You just have to edit a couple of things and you can start posting these stories quickly. So let's talk more about Flux, how it works, and what's so special about this thing. So the Flux is a complete income generating system uh, where Billy Dar and his business associates are teaching how you can generate traffic through viral traffic campaigns, through stories, through different social media platforms. And along with that, they are also providing tutorials on how you can generate $100 a day using stories. So that's one thing. Then these are the simple steps that you have to follow to generate these kind of traffic results. And okay, this is the guy who is behind the software, and let's see what software covers. Okay, so these are the 6 platforms that okay, previously I missed the Snapchat stories. So these are the 6 platforms which are being covered by Flux. So you can create stories for all these 6 major platforms where 90% of the people are always scrolling or going through the stories. So when Instagram came, it came with the feature of Instagram stories, and this feature got so popular that people right now, whoever is scrolling through any of these platforms, they are mostly on stories. They are watching the stories of other people. They are watching the stories of the accounts they are following, and they are creating their own stories. So basically the stories is the new uh, medium to generate traffic through these platforms, and this software is going to help you leverage all these 6 platforms to generate more and more traffic in any niche you want. So that's the best part of Flux. So there are a couple of more features over here. You can go through the sales page. I have kept the link just below this video, and let's talk about how exactly the software works, and let's directly dive into the dashboard of the Flux. So this is the Flux dashboard, and as you can see, there are a couple of things like the stories, total stories created, and stories being shared, and drafts. So this is the first login dashboard that you will see once you are logged inside the Flux. And once you have to create the story, you just have to go on a new story, and you will be getting option to create a story. So which video format you want. So suppose you want to create a story for Instagram story, you select this one. You want to create a story for WhatsApp, Facebook, so you select the desired platform, and you can get started with creation of the story. So once you start creating the story, and once your story is finished, you can still share that story on all the remaining 5 platforms. So you just have to create the story once, and you can share the same story on all the 6 platforms. That's the beauty of the software. So apart from that, like you being creating all the stories, they have also provided certain templates, and if you want to see all your stories which you have created so far, you want to see the results and how they are behaving, you can see all those stories by clicking on my stories button over here, and you'll be taken here where you can browse through your previous stories, and you can see all the stories which are being created so far, and all the drafts and everything will be here. So once that is once you have saved your stories, you can check them out over here. And then they have a user manual where how to use the software, all those things are being given. Then the app tutorial, how exactly you are going to create the stories, and how you can utilize the whole software to your advantage. So all those tutorials are inside these videos. And let's get back to creating the story part. Suppose I want to create a story for Instagram, and what I have to do, I'll just select the Instagram create story button over here, and I'll be taken to the story editor, where it's a basically very simple software. It's a drag and drop feature software, and it comes with ready-made designs, and there are a lot of things over here, so I won't take much of your time, but I want to show you everything that is being done here. So suppose I want to select a design, so I can choose from these done for you templates which are being promised over here in the sales page. The top, they have mentioned like 50 viral traffic templates, so you'll get to select those templates from here. You can simply go through their library. You can select whichever template you want. You can go through these 50 done for you templates. You just have to select the template. Suppose I want to create a story on I don't know, let's select anything over here. Suppose, okay, this is a sale about some gym fitness, so I've selected this one. Oh, okay, this is about some apparel store. Okay, so you just have to you select your category, and whichever niche you are in, you select your category, and you'll get to see all the ready-made templates. And if you want to edit this template, whichever template you selected, you can simply select that particular element and you can start editing. It's a very basic yet very effective editor. You can select anything, you can change the color, design, font size, font type, or whatever you want. You can simply select them, you can edit them. You can even add the new text. See, I can add the new text by simply selecting the add text. Goes on the bold text. The bold text is here, and I can start editing it. It's a very beautiful editor. Then if I want to add certain element, I can add it from here. Suppose I want to add this play button, it's added. I can change the color if I want. Suppose I want it to be green. Okay, that's blue, this is green. So I can do whatever I want, and it's a very basic editor and very effective editor. So if I want to add this element, I can add that. So this software is really amazing when it comes to creating the stories part. I can add the text, I can even import my own images, I can add the videos, I can even import the TikToks from the TikTok account, and I can use them as the stories for my other social media platforms. So that can be done. And back to the designs, I can select whichever design I want. So suppose I want to select a design in fashion. See, suppose I want to select this design, and it's here, I can edit it. Then suppose I want to select a template in digital marketing, and it's here, I can select it and I can edit it. So software is really amazing when it comes to creating a story. And you can, the best part is you can save the content, you can come back and edit it again, and it's a cloud-based software, so you can edit it from any device you want. Don't have to worry about installing anything on your PC. So this is it. And there are a couple of more features, like suppose I want to add a filter, which is a cool feature. I want to add a filter, I can add the filter. Suppose for example, suppose I'm uploading my own pic, or suppose I'm using this picture. Then the picture is added over here. I can increase the size. If I want to add a filter, I can add it from here. See, the filter is added. So I can do so many things just by logging inside this cloud-based app. I don't have to use my mobile. I don't have to worry about creating multiple stories for different platforms. I can just pause it, I can just save it, and I can just get started with re-editing it whenever I want. And I can even add animation like GIFs. So if I want to search any GIF, I can search a GIF from here, and I can add that GIF to my story. So I think this is really cool. and I really like the software, and it's amazing. Then apart from the still stories or the videos, I can even add my own audio. So suppose I want a music to be added on this story, I can upload the audio, I can record the audio, whatever I want, I can add the audio from here. And these are the layers, you can edit whichever layer you want. So this is like a cool Photoshop editor, a cloud-based Photoshop editor, which is going to create wonderful stories for your 6 social media platforms, and going to bring a lot of traffic to your website, your offers, or wherever you want. So I really love the Flux, and I really like the done for you templates, and this is really amazing software. And you see, I can select any template, I can design my own templates here, I can search the images, I can search the GIFs, I can search the animations, I can add my own audio. What more do you want? It has everything which is required to create amazing stories, and to promote your product, to build your brand, or to get started with digital marketing, to get started with creation of your online brand, and to sell products, to bring traffic to your e-commerce store, to bring traffic to your CPA offers, to sell digital product, to sell affiliate products. It can be used for anything you want, and you can keep growing your accounts with the story. As we all know, the stories are the real traffic generating medium on all the social media platforms. So I really like the Flux, and apart from all this, I'm offering some certain bonuses, and I will also talk about the products which are in the funnel of Flux. So these are the cool features, and this is how you use the software. I'll put the link to all the bonuses just below this video, so you can go through that link and you can scroll through all the bonuses. So before we talk about bonuses, let's talk about the upgrades. So this is the front end software, which is at $17. So this will be launched at 11 a.m. Eastern time on 20th of May. Then the upgrade one is Flux Unlimited Edition, where you will get to create stories and create unlimited campaigns. So you don't have to worry about limiting yourself with the limited amount of stories. You can create unlimited amount of campaigns over here. Then upsell 2 is the Flux Automation Edition, where you will get to automate the whole traffic, lead and sales part. So basically you will get to have the feature of scheduling all the stories on all the platforms. So you don't have to worry about creating the story and posting it on a certain time. You just can schedule it by Automation Edition. So I really like the upsell 2 here. Then the Done For You Edition, where it's a $197 thing, but this particular thing is like where Billy's team is going to help you generate Done For You traffic and sales. So you don't have to worry about the traffic. They are going to help you with the traffic and help you generate the sales in your niche. So that's Done For You Edition, that the Done For You traffic. I really like this one as well. Then the Reseller Edition is where you will get to sell Flux and generate 100% profits on the complete funnel. So once you get the Flux Reseller Edition, you can actually sell Flux, all the 6 products inside the Flux at 100% commission. So this is a cool thing. Then the upsell 5 is the Luxury Edition, where you will be provided a physical assistance, where a physical person from Billy's team is going to set up an individual custom funnel for you and your customers. So they will be creating the whole funnel, they will be setting up the products inside your hosting, and they'll be like building a list, and then they'll be generating money for you. So everything will be done with your own product, or where they are going to set up a funnel that is going to generate money for you. So you will be having everything here, like you'll get to integrate your autoresponder to generate leads, You will have your speech-based setups, you will have your follow-up emails, you will have your traffic generation for the complete funnel. So basically the Flux Luxury Edition is where someone else is going to do all these things for you on your behalf, and you will be just generating the money. Okay, let's talk about the bonuses which you are going to get with the Flux. So if you get access to Flux today, you will get access to all of these bonuses mentioned below. So the first one is Instacross Advanced version. It's software on Instagram which helps you automate a lot of things, and along with that it helps you generate viral traffic through trending hashtags, and helps you schedule the whole posts, images and videos through one dashboard. So this is an amazing software. It's launched like 10 days back, and you are going to get access to the unlimited version of it when you get Flux. Then the bonus number 2 is Mastering Instagram Ads. It's a tutorial on how you can leverage Instagram ads to build your brand value, to grow traffic and to increase the engagement. And it's a foolproof way to get penny clicks through Instagram and generate traffic on demand. Then the bonus number 3 is Surge. It's a last month launched software which sold like 7,000 copies, and this particular software can help you leverage the TikTok, Facebook and YouTube for massive traffic. So basically this software helps you generate videos, it helps you create the viral videos that you can use on these 4 platforms: TikTok, Facebook and YouTube. And nowadays you can also use the same videos on Instagram as well. So this is one of the amazing software which is like, people are going crazy about this particular software. Then the bonus number 4 is Affiliate Bot, which helps you leverage other people's videos for free traffic on 6 social traffic sources. So basically you don't have to create any video, you'll just tap inside the software and it will help you generate traffic through other people's videos. So it's called Affiliate Robot. That's bonus number 4. Then bonus number 5 is Internet Retirement App. So it's a combo of internet income system along with the traffic generation system. So the app basically it helps you find best keywords, the best converting ads on Bing ads for your competitors, and you can replicate those ads to generate the dirt cheap click traffic using Bing ads. So this is an amazing software which was launched like 2 months back. And then the bonus number 6 is Internet Retirement App Done For You package, where you'll get 10 done for you products which are ready to be activated and sold. So this is an amazing offer for you. Then the bonus number 7 is List Building System. It's a long-term list building program where you will get to generate email lists with the red hot buyers. So basically we are going to teach you how you can generate buyers list instead of freebies, and you can sell them more and more. Then the bonus number 8 is High Ticket System, where you will get to create a system that can be sold for a high ticket price. Then High Ticket Oil Wells, bonus number 9, where you will get to leverage our done for you high ticket funnels and sell them for prices like $100 and more. Then bonus number 10 is Commission Hotshot Pro. It's a case study where my friend Art generated 789.80 in just 19 minutes by using a YouTube trick. So it's a case study, you'll get this one as well. Then bonus number 11 is Commission Hustler. It's a case study on how to generate traffic through Snapchat. Then bonus number 12 is Recurring Bot Pro. It's an unlimited version of the Recurring Bot which helps you find hungry clients throughout the world at any desired location in any niche instantly, and you don't have to worry about providing services to them. You can actually outsource the whole thing for 1/10 of the price that they are going to, or they are ready to pay for services like SEO or social media management. So that's Recurring Bot Pro. Then the bonus number 13 is Recurring Bot Reseller, where you can sell all the products inside Recurring Bot funnel for 100% profits. Then bonus number 14 is Easy eCash Training. So basically this is a way of selling products without having an inventory on eBay for a higher price by picking up them from a source where they are being sold for a lesser price. So basically it's an arbitrage method, but for this particular method you don't need to have any paid traffic, or you don't need to create any funnels, you don't need to have a list, you don't need to have website or social media platforms, or no paid advertising, nothing. You just have to tap into this system. It's a very basic system and it works for a lot of people, and we are sharing everything inside this easy cash training program. Then bonus number 15 is top seller secrets. You'll get to know how the big bulls of the easy cash system on eBay are actually generating big money. So you'll get to see their secrets. Then the bonus number 16 is advanced e-hack, where you'll get to know how you can steal products from Amazon and Target and Walmart and quickly sell them on eBay for big profits. Then bonus number 17 is 20 hot done for you products, where you don't have to worry about researching the products and you don't have to worry about testing the system. You just have to start selling the high in demand products which have been converting really good for us. So these are my amazing 17 bonuses, and the whole package is of actually $850 and more. So you can get all these bonuses with the Flux, and again, like, Flux is the amazing software which is going to help you generate traffic, viral traffic, through stories of 6 different platforms, 6 different social media platforms. The 6 social media platforms are TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp, and LinkedIn. So you can actually leverage all these 6 platforms. You can leverage their viral stories and actually generate traffic for yourself. So thanks for watching this video, and please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.